Hey guys, this is Mom's Adventures and it's hot out here. And, we're gonna have a fire soon when it gets dark enough. And I have a frog today. 2 toes. You know that's y'all. Like really y'all. And so one with that one. I fed that one to the chicken. One with the gas ball fed to my turtles. That's pretty surprising, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're back. I was gonna show you the turtles, but they're hidden. Ghosts are crazy. People. Ghosts are crazy. Look at all these flowers. Look at Dude. By the way, guys, we tore my foot down. This is all what's left of it. Yeah, that's all what's left of it. For sure. My holes are gone. Well, kind of. I put my sticks in the wheeler, but some of this is from here too. And also, put sunflowers in here and catch like a bird. Think of a wild animal, and this is my junk. Now standing is where my thing is supposed to be. Sitting home. This all here. This is all it right here. Pretty sad. Now. Let's see how murky the water is. Ugh, disgusting, huh? Look at all these flowers. So beautiful. And now, let's see how Spike is doing. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah, no. Hey, buddy. Hey, look. This is Spike. Oh, his nose, that scared me. This is Spike. Hello. 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 Adorable. There he is. Look at your smile. Come on, let's get to the side. Look at pull it. Pull it. Very good. Pull it. Just put it right there. So we're. What are you doing? Sit away. As you can tell, he's worn out. How you doing? Doing good, yeah. We're back, and the chicken is out. So chicken is out. Got more bounces, aren't you? Huh? Aren't you? Ready? Huh. Hey, Junior. This right here is my cousin. Say hi. Sorry. Mama, we need a goat cam. We need like a GoPro or something on him. So we know what he's doing. In his spare times. Okay. See what he's getting to. Hope. Like, help! Let me live! I'll take this anymore! That's what I think what those are saying in their head. Soon we're gonna put a GoPro on you, right? Ooh, he does it like that. Like, don't worry, he's just worn that one tired. The Rhode Island Red Rooster is out. Both of them. Both of the Rhode Island Red Roosters are out. Woo! What are you doing, Spike? Girl. Now they're all gone inside. The chicken coop. Yeah. Right there. What is that? Compressor?
Yeah, air compressor. I use it over there. Water that carburetor.
Ah. Bubba.
Hey, Jeremiah. My buddy. Yep, my buddy.
He has a gun.
Yeah, I always got my gun. I carry my gun.
Yep.
Every
So, bud.
place I go.
Bud. That's from school.
My buddy.
Yeah.
I'm going to hear so much trouble today.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you. See you later. That one earlier. That one earlier. What are chickens doing? Nothing. Just patching around on the ground. Although some of you guys did had your big and my or thing. If you guys saw the video with the snake, turned out it was not venomous. It was king snake. And he's showing that video again. Okay. Guys, oh! Ah! Mama! Come on, hurry, Jeff! Hyper Braveheart is out for sure. Look at the cows! The goat is warning us about Hyper Braveheart. As we can see. I'm chasing someone. I think Sparkly Snowball was warning us about Happy Braveheart, her babies. I thought one of the babies were caught, so I noticed Happy Braveheart was out. Happy Braveheart's out. Happy Braveheart is out.
Oh, okay.
Okay, the babies are okay. But this right here is a Hyper Braveheart. And this is Daisy. Hello, hey Daisy. She's her mama. Lovable Daisy. Quick I can tell. And that's Sparkly Nova. And now, it's him. He ain't bad at Spike at all. So he was a pal when he was growing up. Ooh. He still does that. Spike.
They had one.
Don't worry. Yes. Hey, look at this little baby. Hey, hello. Hello. Hi, Daisy. Daisy, you're missing it. Happy Braveheart's out. Is he? Come in and sit with him. Is he? You sit with him. Oh. Ah! Ooh. Okay, watch this. Okay, watch this. Jeff is going to attempt to grab him. Jeffrey has attempted to grab him. I repeat. And the thing is, you have to wait until he gets out, you know. And then that's what he does. Uh-oh. He'll get out, probably. But then no, he does this. He whoops the butt. Something like that anyway. He pushes the little butt over and then boom! In the cage. Woohoo! Except for Jeff. He's strong. So if you need some work around the house, this is gonna do it. Yeah.
I don't know where he got out at.
Wait, what? It's a magic! Okay, I'm looking.
Go get me some water.
Okay, I know where that is. Sorry guys about the second camera. Oh crap. Okay.
Oh, I don't open that gate.
Okay, I got some more. That's how they showed their dominance. By that.
I'm over there by the gate. You go look at it.
Yeah.
I'll go get some cutters.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, by the way, that's how they showed the dominance. And that is a troublemaker right there. And that's Sussy walking away.
Go in the house and grab my cutters.
Where are they at?
They're sitting where I sit.
Okay. Oh. I'm about to get some cutters. Stop it. Yeah, we know which one's the dominant, okay? It's both of you guys. You guys are both dominant. I know where they are.
Ah, shut up, McGowan.
What?
I dropped my cutters. I get it.
Okay.
Oh,
I hope Jeff can catch. Oh, okay. There you are. That's the cutters. This right here are the cutters. Sorry guys about the secondness. Okay, you are welcome. Stop it, we already know who's dominant. Hello. Hey, we already know who's dominant. Leave. You're alone. Okay, let's film Daisy. Daisy. Got it. A little fast one. Whoa. Whoa. Hello. Oh, that's a little sad. That's lovely for you guys. Oh. Hello. Hello. Hello too. Hello. You adorable butt. You adorable butt. Yeah. Your baby looks just like you, kind of. Except for the bell next to the horn. But still beautiful. Okay, that's Daisy. That one. What are you doing? Huh? Hello. Peekaboo. Knock, knock. Who is there? Peekaboo goat. Peekaboo goat. I see you. Anyway, okay. What do you do? Go. Whoa. Crazy goat time. Right now. It goes right now. I think we never go. Haha, that beautiful. Woohoo! Got them. Oh, this is our 3 boys. Yep. Chase. I just see race. Woo. Crazy. Okay, Jeff, I'm leaving with the hill. But still. There you go. The sand. Kiki with the sand. Kiki with the sand. Let's take a sand bath, as you can tell. This is my favorite chicken right here. One of those. Sand bath. I think it's pretty good. And they're way over there. That right there is Big Daddy, and that right there is Junior. Yeah, Big Daddy is hella short, and his. So